The Alesis Melody 32 keyboard is an ultra-portable digital piano that offers a wide array of features suitable for beginners and music enthusiasts on the go. With 300 high-quality digital sounds ranging from traditional piano to drums, this keyboard allows for a versatile and dynamic music-making experience. Its built-in speakers provide room-filling sound, making it perfect for small performances or practice sessions in any setting. The keyboard includes interactive learning tools like a 3-month subscription to Skoove and a 1-month subscription to Melodics, both of which offer extensive online piano lessons. The Melody 32 is designed with convenience in mind, featuring USB or battery power options for playing anywhere and a headphone output for private practice. With a compact design and lightweight build, this keyboard is easy to transport, making it an ideal choice for aspiring musicians who want to learn and create music wherever they are.